Hello everybody, happy Monday. It's July 18th and summer is doing summer. I'm in the van with Daniel and we are going for a drive in the big van. So we're gonna go just take a ride. I want to go explore a couple of little spots that I was told are quite nice for taking walks. And I'm not sure how wheelchair friendly anything is on the Cape until I go and look. And sometimes I find little treasures and sometimes it's a, you know, who knows. But I need to get him out. So we did this the last time John was working. We took little adventures every day, even if it's just like for an hour. And he likes that. He likes to go for a ride with me. And we can just come right back if he gets fussy. So it's nice. Left the dogs in there and John's working, and it got cloudy, which is actually lovely. I love that because it's not so hot when it's not, you know, like when you're out walking in the sun, it can get a little bit much. But when it's like this, it's quite nice for Daniel, especially. Right, buds? Okay, that window's open on that side. Ah. So we're gonna head up to Orleans and go see what there is to see in a little spot called Rock Point, Rock Harbor. Yesterday we explored Harwich Port a little bit. We didn't go to the shops because we decided to, on the advice of somebody who I met literally on the fishing pier, who was at Winchmore Harbor waiting for her husband to come pick her up in their boat. She said go down to Chatham because the seals were there, which we did yesterday. So that was a nice piece of advice because I had no idea that seals come right up to the side of where the boats come in, right? So that was fun. So I don't know, you just, I guess, talk to people and get ideas, and sometimes I call it synchronicity because things spontaneously sometimes tend to lead to pretty cool moments. Anyway. All right, Dan, ready? Dan says, yeah, let's go, Mom. So I'm gonna let you guys go now because I'm not gonna vlog and drive with Daniel. But yeah, so nice here. Okay, let's go do our activity for sensory, exploring, learning. I always try to learn something new with Daniel, and then we can talk about it or color it later or paint it later or just, I don't know, talk about it. Like connect. Anyway. Trying to make it meaningful is what I'm saying. Or enriched, layered, thick, beautiful, fantastic, happy, fun. It is what it is. All right. Hope you're having a good summer so far, everybody. What are you doing this summer? Let me know. This is Rock Harbor. And there's a nice sidewalk and a handicapped spot. And we got this nice little spot. It's got lots of ramps, so this is good. Friends. So is it high tide or low tide? It's probably low tide, right? Because the water's way out? Yeah. Beautiful spot. beach dogs? Yeah? You want to be beach dogs? Come on. On the beach, and it's not even 5:30 in the morning. I snuck the dogs down. Very quick visit to the beach. The sun's going up literally behind me. I'm gonna take a little break. Take a little rest. Daddy take you swimming a little about an hour. We'll go swimming. We'll go to the pool and go swimming. What do you think? Yeah? Do some watercolors. Hello. Was painting, Daniel's sleeping. So today's been really quiet. Didn't do too much. Daniel had a little accident. He slipped out of his sling in his Hoyer lift. He's fine. He just bumped his head a little bit, so I've been like all freaked out. Like it scared me. I was like, oh my God. He's okay though. He has like a bump, but I put some ice on it and gave him some Advil, and he seems okay. It just scared me more than it scared him.